Hello everyone, it is me, Max the Dolphin. I am finally back in Far Cry 5. Oh boy, it's been a long time. It sure has. Now I have some sad news. I mean, nothing bad happened to me, don't worry, or anyone I know, but or not that I know at least. But we lost a little bit of footage. Yes, we did. Oh wow. Wait a minute, that's really far away. Do we have a vehicle? I don't think we have. Hold on, that's further away than I thought it was. Where's the map? I'm getting sidetracked. Sorry guys. But yeah, no, we lost a little bit of footage. There was supposed to be, fuck, I can't talk for some reason. I've been gone so long, and now I can't talk, apparently. Anyways, can I open this? No, I can't. Fuck! Urgh! Anyways, yes, we lost a little bit of footage. I think last time, which, by the way, you guys didn't get to see it. Anyways, I got kidnapped by the preacher man, the cult man, and then I escaped, pretty much. I got help from new friends. So now we're gonna go to, let's see.
Damn it.
We're gonna go to Ray and Sons. Yeah. Ray and Sons. That's my favorite. Now we're gonna have to run there because, I don't know. I guess I'm an idiot and forgot that there was no vehicles. Is that an enemy vehicle? What is that? Is that an icing? Blah 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 blah. What? Oh, it's one of those. Hold on, guys. How do I do this? Oh, that's how I do it. And then, kaboom. Oh no! 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 Boomer! Oh, Boomer! Oh, are you okay? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, come on, Boomer, we gotta go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Almost killed Boomer. Oh, he's such a good dog. Oh, look at him go. Okay, Boomer, sure, you go that way. Oh my god. Oh. What the hell is happening over here? It's like a fucking war zone over here. That's what it sounds like. Location discovered. Careful, Boomer. They're bad men. The bad men. Hello? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. He wasn't kidding, they are right outside his thing. Oh no, that's music. Don't play the music. You're gonna copyright me. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I got him. Boomer!
Please, God, don't let anything happen to that plane.
Woohoo! That's right, you guys are screwed now. Oh my god. Let's see, how do I, did I just heal myself? I'm not sure. Oh god, am I getting shot from? Oh hey guys, that actually hit him? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys, hold on. It's been a while. I'm a little bit rusty. Alright, I'm going in! Ow! Oh. Alright, I got him! Look at all these sons of bitches. Alright. No, I don't want to take. No, I don't want to take. There might be some more stuff to loot here. Loot all the bad men. You gotta loot all the bad men. That's the rules, guys. Don't you know? The rules are you gotta loot all the bad men. Don't you know? That's the rule.
That plane was our ticket out of here.
Hello.
We're fucking trapped. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill that son of a bitch, John C. You see them Peggies take off in my plane? I need it back. That was our only chance of getting out. I'd go myself, but my wife's pregnant due any second, and
shit.
I just don't know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, without that plane, we're fucked.
Whoa.
Please.
Okay. Yeah.
My family needs your help.
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry. I don't like getting emotional.
No?
Name's Nick, by the way.
Hello, Nick.
Look, if I know the cult, they
Hello.
take my plane to John Seed's ranch. It's got the only other airstrip big enough to land the thing. I know it's a lot to ask, but I'm desperate, partner.
Oh my god, he gave me a thing. I'm gonna run away from here because there's music in the back, and that might be a problem. I'm not sure. Why do I hear fire? Why does one simply hear fire? Can you guys tell me that? Take that away. Okay. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, I can fast travel here now. Okay. Okay, okay. You know what? I mean, this might be a little bit short episode. I've just gotten back, you know, and whatnot. So yeah. So I think we're gonna call it a day with this episode. And then I'm probably gonna loot some stuff here, so we won't hear the music, so we won't get copyright striked or something. I don't know. You know how it is. Anyways, okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I don't know, do something. Probably chill on my couch or something. Anyways, I hope you guys had a good day. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe and like. Okay, goodbye.